If you are interested in cryptocurrencies, you must have a Coinbase account. If you create an account using my invitation link, you will receive $10 sign-up bonus. What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a marketplace that lets you buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and about 50 others. You can also use Coinbase to convert one cryptocurrency to another and send or receive cryptocurrencies. Coinbase shows not only a portfolio of holdings but also current price, trends for cryptocurrencies, and news stories about industry. So let's move to today's topic: how to earn from Coinbase. There are 6 methods you can earn from Coinbase. First one, Coinbase Learn. The easiest way to start generating crypto rewards on Coinbase is to earn in exchange for learning the basics about certain cryptocurrencies, usually by watching short videos. Second one is you can also earn $10 in Bitcoin by inviting friends to Coinbase. Third one is staking your crypto. Staking is a way to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. You can stake some of your holdings and earn a percentage rate reward over time. This usually happens via a staking pool, which you can think of being similar to an interest-bearing savings account. Cryptocurrencies that allow staking use a mechanism called proof of stake, which is the way they ensure that the transactions are verified and secured without a bank or payment processor in the middle. Fourth one is turn your dollars into stable coins. Negative factor in staking rewards is they are paid in native cryptocurrency, which are so volatile. But you can earn rewards by simply buying and holding dollar-pegged stablecoins like DAI and USDC. Fifth one is lend crypto with SIFI. Long term of SIFI is centralized finance. This has the ease of use and security of traditional financial service products. With SIFI, you can earn interest on savings, borrow money, spend with a crypto debit card, and more. SIFI creates potential for earning yield via crypto-based accounts that are functionally similar to a traditional bank savings account, but offer higher returns. Unlike the normal savings account, crypto deposits aren't currently eligible for government-backed FDIC or SIPC insurance, so you should make sure to understand the risk involved. Lend some of your crypto with DeFi apps. Long term for DeFi apps is decentralized finance. This has a higher potential risk for higher returns. You can lend some of your crypto via DeFi apps, but higher potential risk is involved. So make sure not to invest more than you can afford to lose. If you can enable transparent peer-to-peer lending for potentially higher yield than traditional financial offerings. My top DeFi apps are Aave, MetaMask, Compound, Synthetics, and MarketDAO. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you like this. Stay awesome, guys.